Hello everyone, take the paper like this and then fold it in the same manner as shown in the video. Watch these steps very carefully how we are tying it. Now roll the ribbon around it and make a bow with the ribbon like this. Fix it and put the double-sided tape and paste it and it's ready. Next, take a box and fix it in the same manner as shown in the video. Follow the same steps like this. Now fold it from the side and fix it using the double-sided tape. Tie it from the top like this. Now put an envelope inside it. Take a ribbon and fold it around like this and tie it. Fix it in the between, make a bow like this and paste it and it's done. Next, take the wrapping paper like this and fold it as shown in the video. Fold it from both the sides and fix it. Now take the paper again and fix it in the between in the same manner. Put the double-sided tape like this. Fix the white part in the between. Put the ribbon over it and then using the ribbon, another ribbon, we will make a bow and fix it over it like this and paste it and it's ready. Next, take a brown color paper, fold it like this and paste it. Fix it from the top as well. Now put a thank you letter in the between and it's ready. Next, take a box and wrap it from the sides like this. Now from the top, we will press it like this and fix it as shown in the video. Follow the same steps very carefully. Now fix it from the top. You can tie the ribbon over it like this. Make a bow in the between by wrapping it from all the sides. Fold it from the between. Now fold it like this and fix them together. Pull it from the sides together and your bow is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a paper and fold it around the box like this. Fix it using the double-sided tape and paste it. Watch these steps very carefully as we are following in this video. Do not miss any step, otherwise it won't give the desired results. Fold it from the top like this using the double-sided tape. Fold it like this and put a thank you letter in the between. Make a bow in the between and paste it and it's ready. Next, take a box and paste the wrapping paper over it like this. Fold it from the sides. Fix it like this. Paste the paper using the double-sided tape. Now, after that, fold it from the top as well. Now, you can make a ribbon if you want, otherwise it's ready. Next, take a paper, fold it like this and fix the paper. Now, press it from the sides or the bottom like this and follow these steps very carefully as we are making it. Stick the double-sided tape and paste it like this. Now, after that, follow the same step for the other side as well. Fix it in the same manner by folding it and putting the double-sided tape. Now, you can tie the ribbon over it. Put the thank you letter in the between if you want. So, here we are tying a yellow color ribbon. So, take the ribbon like this and fold it like this and then fix it in the between by folding it. Make a ribbon or a bow like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching the video.